Hello, this is Mr. McFadder, and I am here with a brief tutorial of how you will find your way around this week for the lesson. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to access the Pear Deck here for grade 5, but also this will be the same for all of the grades. So what you're going to do is hidden right now, but you're going to click lesson presentation for music for whatever week it's going to be. You'll click that. This will automatically take you to the Pear Deck. It'll ask you how you're feeling today. You can be honest or you can skip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feel happy. And what will happen now is that it will now take you through the lesson. So up here in this top right corner on most of the slides, it will have audio included. So I'll play this for you so you can hear it. Let's see here. And what you'll do in order to click the audio is you're going to click the headphones and we'll hear the audio. Hello guys, I'm so excited to start our second music lesson in this school year. So just as you go through the presentation, you may come across a slide that will have, most of these slides have audio. You may come across a slide that has video, such as this. What you'll do is you'll click it. Once you click it, you'll be sent to the YouTube page where the video is. Hello, scholars. And that's how you'll be able to participate with that activity. All right. So you can go back to the Peer Deck tab, just like I just did. You can keep going through, and here you'll have question tabs. So here's where you can type in your answers. Your answers will automatically be recorded on the Peer Deck slide. So this is what we will be doing for most of our activities in the lessons. This will replace our video lesson format. Please hit me up if you have any more questions, and I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. Bye-bye.